Hey guys, Steven. I just wanted to show you or give you an update on my no-till garden. And this is a method that was described by Ruth Stout. And basically all it is she used hay. I'm just using grass clippings. But I put down some cardboard, I threw on some grass clippings, it keeps the weeds down, and I just cut a hole in the cardboard, planted in it, and I basically never have to water this thing. The squash is looking really good. I have a squash here, squash here, squash here, sunflower, and it's kind of hard to make out between the squash, but there's a cucumber that's going to come up here, and I just put a fresh layer of grass clippings, but basically never have to weed. Once in a while I'll see a piece of grass stick up that's found its way through, and I just pull it real easy, and no big deal. So it's working great. It's kind of an experiment for me, but I love it. I'll probably do it again. And I also just wanted to show you the butter beans. I did a video on seed propagation with the paper towel method. We got a bunch to sprout, and I did a couple different things. I put some in the ground here to show you. I think this might be a cucumber, I don't even remember. I have 4 that are coming up. They look really good. They've finally got their true leaves on them, so these are doing great. What's interesting is I got the sprout, the little root to come out of the seed, and I put these just directly in the ground. And it's really hot, and I thought, well, these might not do too good because it's so hot. I think you're supposed to put them in a cup, or a potting mix. Well, I did some of that too. I put a few in this bowl here. This was inside, and now they're starting to come up. Now that I put them outside, I guess it just needed a little heat. This one is just starting, and then, yeah, you probably can't see it. I got a few cups in here. These are starting to come up, and these did take a little bit longer, but they're coming up just fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 4 over here, so 12. I have 12 butterbean plants. And like I told you in the last video, these things have been frozen in the freezer for 14 years, and they still are growing, which is pretty amazing. This gives my family a connection to my wife's grandma and her farm in McLeod. I think that's really important, to have that connection to the past and to keep on passing down these seeds. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update. We've got a lot more tree trimming to do. I got to burn that in my biochar kiln. But yeah, the no-till method on the garden, just covering it with grass clippings, is working great. I'm hoping to see some blooms on these squash pretty soon. This is the Cushaw squash. It's a green and white crookneck squash. It's supposed to be really good for pumpkin pie, so we'll see. Anyways, we'll see you later.